You know what I realized, y'all? The hardest set of nails is when you have clients with crooked fingers. And client with crooked fingers comes in all different types, y'all. You got clients with arthritis finger, but you also have clients who just have naturally crooked finger. It looks like their fingers got ran over by a train. But other than that, the way I did this French marble, y'all, is that I'm going to take an old school where I'm just going to freehand everything, pick up a good bead, and making sure that I'm going to create a beautiful smile using my brush, y'all. Back in the day, we didn't have none of those cutting board or anything. So I'm just going to continue creating that nice French lines, y'all. And after that, I'm going to go in with the marble effect. And marble is really easy. You just have to pick up two type of powder. The one that I'm using is the XXX white and Glam and Glitz blend green. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it together. At this moment right here, you just got to be creative and try to make it look nice. But at the end, trust me, the client's going to be really happy that you know how to do this. And this old school French right here, that's how it looks like, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this tutorial, and you know I love y'all as always.